And here is the template area. This is the finished one. I think the template is very good at reducing the reliance on the workers. The workers don't need to know the reason or anything. They just know how to handle the machine. So it will also make it so it will avoid the labor shortage. And meanwhile, also make sure the stitching is good, the bulk is same. 这个是做什么呀？
袖胖。
哦 ，the sleeve flap.
哎
The finished like it. This is the finished product. The sleeve flap. A little sleeve flap also needs a big template, but they can make 4 in a once. This is the padding. Do the quilting. I want to mention, our Bangladesh factory also using all these templates. They don't have the hand scissors, but they also use the template. Let China experience bring to Bangladesh, isn't it? I'll show you to make the pocket with one machine. This one machine we bought with 100,000 RMB. They put the pocket cloth here and put the zipper. And this side they put the shell fabric. They will laser cut the pocket, and then they combine together to stitch the zipper. The pocket has 2 fabric cuts, right? So let's stitch together. So let's see the finished product. It's like this. It's all finished with one template. Zipper, shell fabric, and true lining, and they stitch together. This is a pocket, right? This is a needles library. It keeps all the needles in the workshop. If the workers get the old needle or broken needle here, they will get a new one. So, but if they didn't get back, for example, the needle is broken and is buried in the clothes, they can't get the needle back, they will not get a new needle. So it's like a housekeeper for the needles. You will never find a broken needle in the clothes because the workers will be responsible to find out the needles.